Yeah, I go to sleep pretty late. I'd say I'm kind of like a night owl. Mornings are a little rough, but you know, get by. Works out.
Memes really can express. I actually use memes in real life to show a lot of stuff instead of writing.
Usually when I travel for work, I try to sneak in a fun layover at some country that I really like.
There are so many streets today. I can't keep track, you know. Oh, this one's west, this one's east, but where am I going?
Stare at the ceiling. What's on TV? I go outside and take selfies.
Oh, I always have to watch whatever the person next to me is watching.
Sorry.
Hey Google, add diapers to my shopping list.
I wanted to make myself proud. I wanted to make everyone around me proud.
When you're like with someone you like, you're not really thinking about kissing them necessarily.
Gemini's an air sign. I feel like I'm always up in the air